sa 2 taon na hearing. 4 na taon kung kasama ang 18th Congress hearings tungkol sa social costs ng POGO na nagbunsod ng expose sa Pastilla scam. One thing is clear, POGO is a monster. Siya ay halimaw na gumagawa ng human trafficking, money laundering, torture, at espionage. Pero sino ang bumusog sa halimaw na ito? Mga kaibigan, this photo was given to us by one of our key informants, and it further deepens what we already know. Michael Yang is a key actor in Chinese intelligence operations here. Michael Yang nasangkot sa Pharmally and, if the reports are accurate, sa drug operations dito. Michael Yang, na economic advisor ng dating Pangulo. Ginatasan na tayo, pinagtaksilan pa. Friends, I want to show you how Chinese communist propaganda is conducted right under our noses. Specifically, in a spa beside Newport City, here in Pasay. Itong Yatay Spa was once associated with Shi Zhejiang, but we have no knowledge if he still has controlling interest. Nagpamasahe po doon ang aking informants a few weeks ago, and they took a photo of this QR code that was freely available in the buffet area. Ito po ang sumambulat nung kinlik namin ang QR code. A Telegram group called Hongsheng, sounds familiar ba? To support overseas bosses. I don't know if this is the Hongsheng of Guo Huaping in Bamban, but hardly anything surprises me anymore at this point.